Hello, everyone, and welcome to StartSpeak English, the podcast that helps you speak English in your real life step by step. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. We're so happy you're here today. Whether you are on the bus, at home, or taking a walk, this is your English time.
Today's topic is daily life English. We talk about real situations, morning routine, shopping, asking for directions, and more.
Don't worry if you're a beginner. We use simple words and short sentences. You can do this.
Okay, Mike, let's start with the morning. What do you say when you see someone in the morning? Hi, do you have milk?
Yes, it's in aisle 3. Aisle, that's the long path between the shelves in a shop. AISLEE.
Great, thanks. How much is this?
It's $2.50.
I'll take it, thank you. Key phrases. Do you have? How much is this? I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
These are very useful. How much is this? You will use this every day.
And if you don't understand the price, you can say, sorry, can you repeat that? Or can you write it down, please? Now, simple conversations with friends or at work. When you meet someone new, you can say, nice to meet you. My name is Anna.
And they say, nice to meet you too. What do you do? That means, what is your job? You can answer, I'm a teacher, or I work in a shop, or I'm a student. And to keep the conversation going, ask, where are you from? Or do you live here? Easy. You say, good morning. Or if it's more casual, you just say, morning. Right, and the other person answers, good morning. How are you? Or morning. Sleep well? Let's practice. Anna, good morning.
Morning. I'm good, thanks. You?
Pretty good. Just need my coffee. Now, your morning routine. Maybe you wake up, drink coffee, eat breakfast, and go to work. Simple actions, but in English, the verbs are important. Right. For example, I wake up at 7. I have breakfast at 7:30. I leave home at 8. Notice we say have breakfast, not eat the breakfast. It's just how we say it in English. Okay, part 2. You're at a shop. What do you say? Anna, you're the customer. I'm the shopkeeper. Part 3. You're lost. You need directions. What do you say? Start politely. Excuse me, could you help me? Then ask, where is the nearest bank? Or how do I get to the train station? And the person might say, go straight, then turn left, or it's just around the corner. If you didn't understand, just say, I'm sorry, I'm still learning English. Could you speak slowly, please? Most people are very happy to help. Don't be afraid to speak. Okay, let's do a quick review. Today we learned morning greetings, shopping phrases, asking for directions, and starting conversations. Remember these key sentences. Say them out loud, at home, in the mirror, on the street. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Learning English is a journey. It takes time, but every step counts. You listen to this episode, that is already a big step. Thank you so much for being here with us today on StartSpeak English. If this helped you, please subscribe and share with a friend who is also learning English. New episodes every week. See you next time and keep speaking.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to StartSpeak English. Hi, everyone. We are Anna and Mike, and we are happy to help you learn English in a simple and easy way.
Today we will talk about daily life English. These are words and sentences you can use every day.
Yes, this lesson is perfect for beginners. We will speak slowly, use simple words, and repeat important phrases.
Part 1. Morning routine. Anna, what do you do in the morning?
Good question, Mike.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up means you stop sleeping.
Yes. Then I say, good morning.
Listeners, repeat. Good morning.
After that, I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth means cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush.
Then I drink coffee.
I drink tea.
Nice. After that, I get dressed.
Listeners, repeat. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. I get dressed.
Good job. These are very useful sentences.
Part 2. Talking about work or study. Anna, do you work or study?
I work. I am a teacher.
Great. I am a host on this podcast. At work, I say, hello, how are you?
Listeners, repeat. How are you?
You can answer, I am fine, thank you, or I am good, or I am okay.
Simple and easy.
At work, we also say, let's start, or let's begin. These are useful in meetings or class. Part 3. Buying food. Now, let's go shopping.
Yes. Imagine you are in a supermarket.
You can say, Hello. Then, I would like some bread. I would like is a polite way to ask. You can also say, can I have some water? Listeners, repeat. I would like bread. Can I have water?
If you want to know the price, ask, how much is this?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to StartSpeak English.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike, and today we will learn how to speak English at a restaurant.
Yes, this is a very useful lesson for beginners.
You can use it when you travel, eat out, or meet friends.
Don't worry if your English is simple. We will help you step by step.
Use your voice, repeat after us, and enjoy learning.
Basic words. Let's start with simple words.
First word, restaurant, a place where you eat food.
Next, menu. This is the list of food and drinks.
Repeat, menu.
Good. Next, waiter or waitress. This is the person who brings your food.
Repeat, waiter.
Great.
Asking for a table. When you arrive, you can say, hello, I would like a table.
Repeat after me. I would like a table.
You can also say, a table for two, please.
Your turn.
Asking for the menu.
Now you are sitting. What do you say?
You can say, can I see the menu, please?
Repeat. Can I see the menu, please?
Very good.
Ordering food.
Now the fun part, ordering food.
You can say, I would like a burger. Or, can I have a pizza?
Repeat, I would like.
Now say your food.
You can also order drinks. I would like water.
Asking questions.
Sometimes you have questions.
You can say, what do you recommend?
Repeat, what do you recommend?
Or, is this spicy?
Paying the bill.
When you finish, you ask for the bill.
Say, can I get the bill, please?
Repeat.
Great job.
Role play.
Let's practice a real conversation.
I am the waiter.
And I'm the customer.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello, I would like a table for one, please.
Here's your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course.
I would like a pizza and water.
Good choice.
Common mistakes.
Mistake. I want pizza.
Better, I would like a pizza.
Be polite.
Tips.
Tip 1. Speak slowly.
Tip 2. Smile and be polite.
Tip 3. Use simple sentences.
Final practice.
Repeat after me. I would like.
Can I have?
Can I get the bill?
Great job.
You learned how to speak English at a restaurant.
Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for listening to StartSpeak English.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to StartSpeak English, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence, step by step, day by day.
Hey everyone, so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening on YouTube, on your phone, or during your commute, welcome. You are in the right place.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike.
And today, I'm so excited about this episode. We're talking about something super practical, something you will use in real life, maybe even tomorrow.
That's right. Today's topic is how to explain your job in English.
Yes, we're going to teach you simple, easy sentences to talk about your work, your job, your career, all of it in English.
And don't worry if your English is not perfect yet. This episode is made for you. We keep it simple, we keep it clear, and we make it fun.
So grab your coffee, grab your notebook, and get ready to learn. Let's go.
Okay, Anna, let's start with a question. When do people ask you about your job?
Oh, all the time. You meet someone at a party, you go to a job interview, you talk to a new colleague. Someone asks, so what do you do?
And what happens when you don't know how to answer in English?
Disaster. You freeze. You say something like, I work thing, And then you smile awkwardly and hope they stop asking.
Yes, we've all been there, but after today, that's not going to happen anymore, right?
Right. After this episode, you will know what to say. You will feel ready. You will feel confident.
Because we are going to cover 5 big things today, 5 topics. Anna, tell them what we have.
Of course, we will teach you how to, number 1, introduce your job. Number 2, talk about your daily tasks. Number 3, describe your workplace. Number 4, talk about your skills and experience. And number 5, talk about your future career goals.
5 topics, lots of sentences, lots of practice. Let's do this.
Okay, Mike, let's start with the basics. How do you introduce your job?
This is the most important part. When someone meets you for the first time, they often ask, "What do you do?" or "What is your job?"
And the answer is simple. You say, I am a job title. For example, I am a teacher. I am an engineer. I am a doctor. I am a nurse. I am a designer.
It's that simple. Just 3 words. I am a. And then your job.
Now, Mike, let's practice together. I'll ask you and you answer. Ready?
Ready.
So, Mike, what do you do?
I'm a podcast host.
Perfect. And you can also say, I work as a job title.
For example, I work as a teacher. I work as an accountant. I work as a software developer.
This is great because it sounds very natural. People use this all the time. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Think about your job. Say it out loud. Say, I am a blank, or I work as a blank. Go ahead. Pause if you need to think, then come back.
We'll wait for you.
Great. Now let's add a little more information. Where do you work?
You can say, I work at place. For example, I work at a hospital. I work at a school. I work at a tech company. I work at a bank. I work at home.
Or you can say, I work for company. For example, I work for Google. I work for a small business. I work for the government.
Let's put it all together now.
Okay, I am a teacher. I work at a primary school.
I work as an engineer. I work for a construction company.
I am a nurse. I work at a big hospital in the city.
See how easy that is?
Repeat after me. I am a your job. I work at your workplace. Say it out loud.
Yes, speaking out loud is very important.
Be brave.
One more sentence. I work for myself. This means you are your own boss.
I love that one. Okay, let's do a quick practice. Mike, I'll be a stranger.
Okay.
Hi, nice to meet you. What do you do?
Hi, nice to meet you too. I'm a podcast host. I work for a YouTube channel called StartSpeak English.
That sounds great. And where do you work?
I work from home.
Perfect. Short and natural.
Try this with a friend or even alone. Now let's talk about daily tasks.
People often ask, what do you do at work?
You can say, I blank every day. For example, I teach students. I help customers. I write reports. I manage a team. I fix computers.
Or, my job is to verb.
Example, my job is to teach English. My job is to answer emails.
Mike, what do you do every day?
I record podcasts, edit audio, and drink coffee.
Honest answer.
Repeat after me. I help customers solve problems.
I write reports for my manager.
I teach students.
Great job.
You can also add time. Every day. Usually. Sometimes.
Example, every morning I check emails. Sometimes I travel.
Now a full answer. I am an accountant. I work at a company. Every day, I check records and write reports.
Try to make your own version. Now let's describe your workplace.
You can say, I work in an office. I work at a hospital. I work from home.
Add adjectives: big, small, busy, quiet, friendly.
Example, I work in a big office. I work in a small shop. I work from home. It is quiet.
Mike, describe your workplace.
I work from home. It's small but comfortable.
Nice.
You can also talk about people. I work alone. I work with a team. I manage a team.
Repeat. I work with a team.
My workplace is friendly.
Great. Now, skills and experience.
Say, I am good at. Examples, I'm good at communication. I'm good at solving problems.
Or, I have good communication skills.
Now, experience. I have 3 years of experience.
If you are new, say, I'm a recent graduate. I'm eager to learn.
Repeat, I have 2 years of experience.
I am good at teamwork.
Great job.
Now, future goals.
Say, I want to. Examples, I want to become a manager. I want to improve my skills.
Or, my goal is to
Example, my goal is to succeed.
add time. In 5 years, I hope to.
Repeat, my goal is to succeed.
In the future, I want to learn more.
Excellent.
Now let's put everything together.
Example, hello, my name is Sarah. I'm a teacher. I work at a school. Every day, I teach students and prepare lessons. I have 3 years of experience. I'm good at communication. My goal is to become a senior teacher.
Simple and clear.
Now create your own version.
Quick review. I am a job. I work at place. I am good at skill. I have experience. My goal is to.
Practice these every day.
And don't forget, speak out loud.
Before we finish, avoid mistakes. Say, I am a teacher, not I teacher.
Use correct verbs. Write reports. Teach students.
And speak slowly.
Yes, take your time.
Final bonus phrases. I am a quick learner. I am motivated. I am a team player.
Great for interviews. Okay, everyone, we are at the end of today's episode of Start Speak English.
Today, you learned how to talk about your job, your tasks, your skills, and your goals.
Keep practicing every day.
And don't forget, speak out loud.
If you liked this episode, please like the video and subscribe to Start Speak English.
We post new lessons every week.
We believe in you.
Keep learning, keep speaking.
This is Start Speak English.
See you next time.
Bye.